Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this 5-inch IFS lift kit system. This fits 2020 GM 2500 and 3500 HD pickup trucks. This kit is designed to provide you everything you need while properly lifting your late model HD pickup truck, while maintaining on-road handling and drivability, while improving your off-road capability. Not to mention, this kit will allow you to run up to a 37-inch tire. So let's take a look at the boxes and show you what's inside. So starting off, you'll have your front and rear cross members. These are high strength boxed 1/4-inch steel to relocate your lower control arms. And over here we have your heavy duty CNC machined steering knuckle to maintain your handling and drivability on road and off road, while allowing to maintain the ESC system capability, which is electronic stability control. Next, you'll have these multi-point differential relocation brackets to secure the differential and correct CV angles once the lift is installed, along with your bump stop relocation brackets to reposition the bump stops for proper engagement once the lift is installed. Now on to the full width skid plate, which adds extra protection to your steering and drivetrain components, and also allowing for extra strength and rigidity to the whole lift kit system. And also in the front of the truck, you'll have these extended sway bar links. These are greasable for long-lasting durability. And over here you have your torsion bar cross-member drop brackets. These Zone branded brackets reposition the cross-member down to match the rest of the lift kit. And now moving on to the rear of the truck, I want to show you these 4.5-inch rear lift blocks. These are a heavy-duty fabricated block to lift the rear end slightly tail-high stance, along with, to keep them in place, your extended U-bolts that will come with this kit. To make this ride even more enjoyable, this kit will come with your Fox 2.0 Adventure Series shocks to improve your ride capability on and off-road. This kit will also include your front extended steel braided brake lines, along with all the hardware that you need to install this kit. This kit will also come with a step-by-step instruction sheet to walk you through this install. And if you don't feel comfortable installing this yourself, take it to your local Zone dealer. And if you want to learn more about this kit, stay up to date and go to our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and see all of our latest updates.